Struggling with running your school's computer class? You're not alone. Software that fails to install properly, slow, outdated machines, confusing program errors, hardware problems that wipe out students' work, and constant upgrades that drain your budget. Then comes the chaos. Students copying code into emails or shared docs. Teachers are left guessing if the code even runs. There's gotta be a better way. Introducing CodePad School, where you go forward, not back to school. CodePad gives your classroom a modern, private, and secure coding space. No installs, no setup. Students all get the same environment, whether they're on a Windows PC, Mac, Chromebook, iPad, or the school's lab computer. CodePad features Visual Studio Code compatible editor, real-time collaboration, graphical and sound support, shell access, optional ChatGPT integration, and much more. Students' work is auto-saved and backed up. Teachers can run and edit students' code and have live chat and collaboration. Thousands of students rely on CodePad every day. Teachers around the world run full classes. What are you waiting for? Ditch the maintenance headaches. Embrace simplicity. Start a 30-day free trial and unlock a better coding experience.